Struggling to make the most of your small space? These genius space-saving furniture pieces and gadgets are designed to transform even the tiniest apartment into a functional, organized dream. From foldable finds to hidden storage solutions, every item is built to help you live large, no matter the size of your space. All links are listed in the description below. No more climbing on countertops or digging through high shelves. This pull-down cabinet organizer brings everything to you in one smooth motion. Two spacious tiers give you easy access to spices, jars, or whatever you've stashed up high. Just pull the handle and the whole shelf lowers gently into reach. It's built tough to handle the weight and smart enough to make your kitchen feel twice as organized. Say goodbye to cramped dish racks and dripping messes. This slide-out drying rack gives your countertop a clean, organized upgrade. With either a single or double layer, it's built to hold a full day's worth of dishes, bowls, and utensils with ease. The drawer-style base catches every last drop, keeping your kitchen dry. Slide it out, load it up, and let everything air dry neatly in place. Now this is a serious cat upgrade. It's a hidden litter box, a cozy cat condo, a scratch post, and even a charging station, all in one sleek cabinet. Your cat gets privacy and comfort, while you get extra shelves and built-in USB ports to power your gear. There's a feeding station, a soft mat for lounging, and adjustable feet to keep everything stable. Stylish, functional, and secretly made for your furry roommate. Your couch just got smarter. This 7-in-1 armrest tray clips right onto your sofa and instantly becomes your new favorite side table. There's a cup holder, snack tray, push-pull drawer, and even a phone holder that swivels 360 degrees so you can binge-watch hands-free. It grips tightly without scratching, and the natural wood finish adds a nice touch. No tools, no hassle, just pure couch convenience. This table's got a secret, and it's a game changer for small spaces. One moment it's a sleek bookshelf, the next it unfolds into a full-size dining table that seats up to 6. No need to clear off your shelves. The clever design keeps everything in place while you switch. Made from solid wood and sturdy metal, it's built to last. Ideal for apartments, studios, or anyone who loves smart furniture that works twice as hard. This wall-mounted rack packs 6 functions into one tidy organizer. It holds your paper towels, slices foil and plastic wrap with built-in cutters, and even has room for sauce bottles or spices on top. Everything stays in reach. Everything stays neat. No tools needed. Just stick it on a clean wall and you're good to go. It's a simple way to declutter your kitchen without giving up any counter space. No more struggling to reach the top shelf of your closet. This pull-down hanging rod brings your clothes to you with a smooth, hydraulic motion. Just tug the handle and the rack lowers gently, then lifts right back up when you're done. It's adjustable to fit a range of wardrobe sizes and holds up to 44 pounds of clothing. Perfect for maximizing vertical space without breaking a sweat. Need a table that works as hard as you do? This foldable dining setup goes from mealtime to workspace in seconds. It comfortably fits 4 people, then folds down to save space when you're done. Built-in wheels make it super easy to roll around wherever you need it. Whether it's dinner, studying, or a quick coffee break, this table's ready to move, fold, and fit your day. If your shoes are taking over the house, this 9-tier foldable rack is the fix you didn't know you needed. It pops open in seconds. No tools, no stress. and stores up to 36 pairs in neat, dust-proof compartments. There's even room for boots, bags, or everyday essentials. With a one-piece design and sturdy build, it's ready for closets, entryways, or wherever clutter creeps in. Instant order, no assembly headache. Tired of soggy towels cluttering your counter? This oversized stone drying mat takes care of the mess with zero effort. It absorbs water like a sponge and dries fast. No odor, no damp surfaces. Plus, it folds neatly away when not in use. Great for dishes, bottles, even hot pans or pet bowls. A sleek, smart upgrade your countertop will thank you for. No more digging through dusty boxes or crawling under the bed just to grab a sweater. These stackable underbed storage containers roll right out and open from both sides, so you can grab what you need without even moving the whole thing. The hard plastic is strong, smooth, and won't tear or scratch your stuff. Fold it flat when not in use and pop it open again in seconds. Closet chaos doesn't stand a chance against these clever hangers. Each one holds up to 6 pairs of pants, shorts, or scarves, and you get 2 in the pack. No tools, no setup, just unpack and start organizing. You can hang them vertically to save space or horizontally for quick access. With anti-slip ends and sturdy metal construction, your clothes stay put and your closet stays neat. Packing for travel just got smarter. This expandable backpack doesn't just hold more, it vacuums your clothes down to save serious space. With a built-in compression pump and up to 45 liters of capacity, you can fit everything without bulking up. It's waterproof, durable, and even has a hidden anti-theft pocket to keep your valuables secure. Bonus, there's a USB charging port, so you stay powered up on the go. Small kitchen? No problem. This slim 2-slice toaster packs a punch without taking up space. The long slot easily fits everything from sandwich bread to thick sourdough, and 6 shade settings mean your toast always comes out just how you like it. A high lift lever keeps your fingers safe, and the auto shutoff prevents burning. Cleanup's easy too, with a crumb tray and cord wrap that keep things neat. Reaching high spots doesn't need to be a hassle. This telescopic ladder folds down small but extends to over 10 feet, giving you solid height without the bulk. It's made from tough aluminum with anti-slip feet and secure locks at every step. Whether you're changing a bulb or cleaning gutters, it's steady, safe, and easy to carry. Perfect for home projects, office use, or quick fixes on the roof. One chair, 3 ways to relax. This convertible sleeper goes from cozy armchair to lounge recliner to full flatbed in seconds. The backrest adjusts to 5 different angles, so whether you're reading, binge watching, or napping, it's got your comfort covered. Soft sponge cushioning, built-in pillow, and smooth rolling wheels make it perfect for any room. Compact yet versatile. It's like having a guest room in a chair. Drawers don't have to be a jumbled mess. This expandable organizer turns chaos into neat, labeled zones for everything from makeup to office supplies. With 2 rows and 3 tiers, it stacks your stuff without wasting an inch of space. The compartments adjust to fit your needs and expand to fit almost any drawer. Whether it's in the kitchen, bathroom, or desk, organization just got a serious upgrade. Why stay stuck at a desk when your workspace can roll with you? This overbed mobility table slides smoothly on wheels and adjusts in height and width to fit beds, couches, or even wheelchairs. Whether you're working, reading, or enjoying breakfast in bed, it's got room for both a laptop and extras. The sturdy wood and metal design stays stable, and lockable wheels keep it right where you want it. Work, walk, repeat, all without leaving your desk. This slim walking pad lets you get your steps in while checking emails or binge watching at home. It runs quietly under 45 decibels, so you won't disturb meetings or roommates. With speeds up to 3.8 miles per hour and a weight capacity of 265 pounds, it's sturdy, smooth, and compact enough to slide under a bed. No setup needed, just roll it out and go. Trash sorting doesn't have to look like a mess. This clever 3-tier bin packs a surprising 42 liters into a sleek, space-saving design. The top holds 2 compartments for separating wet and dry waste, while a middle drawer stores tools or bags. The bottom tier, another bin ready for whatever you toss its way. With wheels, a foot pedal, and easy lift liners, it's tidy, smart, and fits anywhere. Grocery runs just got way more efficient. This folding shopping trolley rolls smooth, folds fast, and carries a surprising load without breaking a sweat. The double basket setup keeps your produce and heavy items separate. No more squished bananas next to laundry detergent. With 360-degree swivel wheels and a strong brake system, it glides through tight spaces and stays put when you need it to. When you're done, fold it flat and stash it away. If you're after next-level comfort without the complicated setup, this adjustable bed base might just be your new favorite upgrade. It lets you raise your head or feet with a quiet motor and a wireless remote, perfect for late-night reading, relaxing, or keeping snoring in check. The tool-free assembly takes minutes, and the height-adjustable legs even give you bonus storage space underneath. Need a travel bag that doesn't hog closet space? This foldable suitcase expands for full-size storage when you're on the move, then collapses down flat when you're not. Its 360-degree wheels glide smoothly, even through tight spaces, and the lightweight yet tough build holds up to bumpy trips. Ideal for small apartments or minimalists who travel often and hate clutter. Sweaters looking a little tired? This fabric shaver brings them back to life in seconds. With 6 sharp blades spinning at high speed, it zips through pilling and fuzz without snagging your clothes. It even works on furniture and blankets. The digital display shows battery life, and the large lint bin means fewer cleanouts. It's sleek, cordless, and surprisingly powerful for such a compact little gadget. If your vanity's a mess of lipsticks, brushes, and tangled jewelry, this sleek beauty case might just save your mornings. It packs in slide-out compartments, a dedicated jewelry section, and a built-in mirror with a soft-touch LED light. Everything's visible, splash-proof, and easy to wipe down. Whether you're getting ready at home or on the go, it keeps all your essentials organized in one stylish, portable setup. Tight on bathroom space? This slim organizer is built to slide into narrow gaps and make the most of every inch. With transparent drawers, waterproof plastic, and smooth wheels, it's perfect for storing toiletries, kitchen goods, or laundry supplies. No tools, no assembly. Just unpack and start organizing. The modern design fits anywhere, and the sturdy frame holds more than you'd expect without wobbling or warping. Running out of drawer space for your socks and underwear? This wall-mounted storage box gives them a dedicated home without using up any floor or dresser space. No tools needed, just peel, stick, and organize. It's surprisingly versatile too. working great for plastic bags, small towels, or random odds and ends. The open-top design means no folding. Just drop items in and go. Tall cabinets aren't always friendly. This pull-down spice rack changes that. Mounted inside your cabinet, it glides down smoothly to bring all your spices right to eye level. No more tiptoes or digging through cluttered shelves. The 3-tier layout gives everything a clear spot, and the sturdy iron frame holds more than just spices. Think sauces, condiments, or even small bottles. It's sleek, strong, and surprisingly satisfying to use.